Bjur, like a damn in your low, a good angel like a bye, and I'm then a young lady.
Hi guys,
I'm to buy a boy, like a thing you more the child, and I'm then a young lady. Do you go again, mama? Do you number get in your car? Do you go again, mama? Do you number get in your car? In Jamaica, in Jamaica. In Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, in Jamaica, then you buy.
hi guys, welcome and thanks for joining me. Where are all the Miss Jungle? Where you at?
Original, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, Miss Jungle, okay. Non that you got to keep it on the near, non that you got to keep it on the light. Yan Jungle, Hagan, and Jamia, Bonnie will go chopping the Cosby, Bonnie Pida, Chorian, the Cosby, Pida, Chatem, work it out, Kijavan, Chatem, work it out, when you can check out from the man, Yan Jungle, Hagan, and Jamia, Hagan, and Jamia, Eleven queer, eleven do batima, abanda, Yanni Jongle, oh, yeah.
Is that? I think that's the last one.
Do you go again, mama? Do you number get in number? Do you go again? Number get in your car, in your Mexico, in your Mexico, in your then you buy.
Hi guys, hello. Thank you for joining me. As you can see, I am hyped up. I wish I was from Jonglei. Like, this is one of the most beautiful songs. I'm just wondering where all the Jonglei girls are at. This is your song by Bjur. If you haven't actually heard about Bjur yet, Bjur is one of our youngest upcoming artists, and the kid is talented, I am telling you. He sings songs that are very meaningful. His album is about to come out soon, and that is why we're all here to try and support him. So if you still haven't heard other songs yet, I'll probably play the songs a bit more later on. And Bjur is here with us today, which is good. His album's name is Pir Menabar, and it's one of the most amazing albums out there. What I actually like about Bjur and his music is the fact that Bjur is very, very original. Like, he's original and he's a very talented artist. I think all of us can agree that these days with a lot of music, what you see is that people are using a lot of auto-tune, and that is really, really annoying. Like, I am one person that cannot listen to music with auto-tunes. This young man has, excuse me, I like using kid for some reason. Being a teacher, sometimes that's what you do. You call everyone kid. This young man has a natural voice. He can sing. And the reason why we're here today is, obviously, as we all know, being a young artist, you do need support. Definitely, you need support. So we're all here just to put our hands together for Bjur. And come on, guys, like, I mean, who wouldn't want to support this young boy so that he can produce more songs and also make copies and CDs of his music? He currently lives in Uganda. Actually, let me play one song. I think the song is called Panda Junub. Very, very beautiful song by Bjur. And this song is, one second, let me play it. Let's talking more. One second.
banato ajin gilio banda na ye jabe gato aleki mama aleki baba aleki one man badugu banda Sukul panda, yui kuwa marato, yui kumi bojang panda, si gebeye wayo, bi kunyer wayit, kunyer bukyer, yu ku panda yui, ashandu bake of war.
So that song right there is called Panda Janu. One of the most beautiful songs you can ever come across.
Wayan panda, kuber ku pandariok, nyaleja wayan pianda, kuber kuruno, walking in marjunu, pinno mabane waman, ye ngorio panda, ye waruno.
As you can see, the kid is sending out a very, very strong message to all of us. We just have a country and we are destroying it. Thank you, songs that I played so far by Bjur. One person just asked me what is his name. So the artist's name is Bjur, and he's also on Facebook. And what we're doing today is we're trying to help our youngest upcoming artist raise some funds so that he can produce more music and launch his album. And his album's name is Pir Menabar. Bjur is actually here with us today, and what I'll probably do is I'll invite Bjur soon so that he can also talk to us and tell us a little bit about what the album is about, because with every artist there's a reason why they come up with a certain song. So with Bjur, he's a very young man, he's quite young, and what I love about his music is the fact that he's very talented. Very, very talented. And I think as South Sudanese in diaspora, we need to start helping, the young ones that are coming up, because music is one of those things that creates unity and harmony amongst communities. And Bjur is doing that, as you can see. One of his songs was Panda Janub, and he's talking about how, we were lucky enough for God to grant us our land. However, we're destroying it now. What can we do? Can we go back to our country and help build Janub? Very, very meaningful song. He also have another song, which is, again, my favorite song. You all know, obviously during the war, a lot of us have lost our parents, and some people are like, they have no both parents, and that song is mainly dedicated to them, and it's a very beautiful song. And Wunawek, since you want me to go back to the kitchen, I think you'll probably owe me $100 to go through GoFundMe to help Bjur produce his music, because I am doing something productive here, better than staying in the kitchen. So if you go on my wall, Wunawek, I have GoFundMe link. $100 would be really good if you can go there, and I'll go to the kitchen, and I promise you, I'll cook you that awalwala. I'll cook it for you, I promise, if you do that. So that's the condition if you want me to go back to the kitchen. Achol, thank you so much for giving us $100 to go towards supporting Bjur. That's really nice of you. You're one of the, I don't know, I look up to you as an older sister, because you always have a heart. You have a big heart. You always like to support people. You like to help people. And that's one of the things that I love. So, Wunawek, GoFundMe link. It's on my wall. Go there right now. I'll go to the kitchen. Awalwal will be ready for you and the visitors. And I promise you, I'll cook the awalwala for 1 year, not just one day. So do that. Just $100, please. All right. What I'll do is I'll play one more song. Or maybe I should bring Bjur. Just try to send me a request, and I'll bring you on for a little bit so that our viewers can get to see you and who you are and what you do and some of the meaning, because there's some songs that I would love to play while you are actually live, so that we can ask you about why that song, why did you pick that specific song, or how did you come up with that song. So here we go. Before I do that, actually, I do have someone that would want to be called. So, Bjur, stick around a little bit. Let me just add this person. And while he's adding, I'm going to find another music to play. Alright. So, Kwan Chol, I am adding you now. I hope you will accept. Okay. So, Kwan Chol is adding. He's not... I'll try one more time, see if it will work. If not, try to fix your, oh, it says connection fail. Oh, how sad. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Apuk, and we're here today to help support our young ones, the young upcoming South Sudanese artist. His name is Bjur. I have the GoFundMe account. It doesn't matter, from little things from $20 to $50 to $100. We already have $100 donated towards helping Bjur in getting in helping him produce more songs. His songs are really meaningful. I'll do less talking and play more music. So let me play one more music. And if you see a lot of the Jongalei women here, let me know so that I can play the music for them. But in order for me to play Miss Jongalei better be ready, to be honest. If I was from Jongalei, and if I was to be from Jongalei, I would have got like $500 for that song, to be honest. Very beautiful song. It's a lovely, lovely song. Dedicated to Miss Jongalei. I don't know where they're at. They're still hiding, but they'll come out. I'm looking forward to seeing them soon. Alright. Here we go. Let me play another song. Oh, guess what? Okay, Wunawek is here. Wunawek, I am going to play this song. And I'm going to play this song to all the men lately on social media that have been telling me that I am not going to get married. So this song is dedicated to you. It's called Ding Piat. It's a very beautiful song. It's called Ding Piat. And I think this is one of the songs that I think is probably going to change me and make me be, a good woman. Oh, Akir is here. Miss Jongalei is actually here. Miss Jongalei, we're waiting for you, sweetheart. So, if I play that song for you, you have to get $100. I'm going to play Ting Piath by Bjur Kisi. I'm going to be a good woman from now on. Here we go. Where is it?
Ding chedayo. Ding dari yang gebai. Ding dara chedayo. Ayi jeng dalwel, ayi jeng dalwel. Naja gwedik, naja gwedik. Angwena to. Ding dari yang gebai mar. Ding bagai mar. Ding bagai mar. Ding nong kyo ayin ngalik bay. And daddy pure one ma, you think to take one ma. Get it to yan kai, go by a thing get the bite. I think they're high, I think they're Jedi. I think they're in get by. I think they're Jedi. I think they're high, I think they're Jedi. I think they're in get by. I think they're Jedi. I think they're the knowledge. I think I don't have your knowledge. Think when you love you, yellow you a digger by Louis. Kunajin gay, one night. Don't I think the Valway, look up yet the Valway. And that if you're one night, you think to take one night. Get it to yan kai, go by a thing get the bite. I think they're high. I think that in get by. I think get high. I think that I think that in get by. Think that you lazy, think that your mama little, think that your one mama, think that your mama little, think that your nyalwana kwe, think that your mama baby, and you know mama gave in the
Alright, so this was Ting Piat by Bjur Kisi, that is his stage name. Very, 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 very talented young man. To be honest, I have respect for him because, as you can see, he's natural. His voice is just natural. He doesn't even need all those instruments. I think he's one of those people, if he just sings, you would listen to his song. So, again, Ting Piat, you know, a good woman. It's very rare these days to find good women, I believe. And I think if you have that one woman that is willing to do things for you, why not keep her? Why not respect her? Same thing as well, you know, women should do the same thing for their husbands or their boyfriends or partners or whatever it is, apart from cooking and cleaning, obviously. So I don't think that makes you a good wife to cook and clean. My joke, in order for me to dance, obviously, no, you have to pay $150. Like, I am that one girl that is not going to get up and dance if you ain't going to pay some money. So please, if you want to dance, I'll do that. But only on one condition. Go on my world, go and click on the GoFundMe account and help support Bjur so that he can produce more songs. As we all know, obviously, being young and living overseas, we don't have a lot of opportunities. The only people that they rely on are people like us that are living in diaspora, that are more, obviously, what do you call it? More, should I say we're lucky to be in a place where, you know, we have opportunities and things like that. So if you have $20, $30, $40, $50, $100, please try to help Bjur so that he can maintain his music, because he's a really, really talented young man. And I think I'm starting to see a lot of Miss Jongale here. So I'm starting to think now, should I play the music again? If you're from Jongale and you're a woman and you're Miss Jongale, just write yes, because I want to see if there's at least 5 of you here. I am going to play Miss Jongale for you. And in order for me to play Miss Jongale, obviously you have to go on my wall and help, you know, support our youngest upcoming artists. Yes, Maman, I understand that it's getting really difficult these days, but the little that we have, you know, we can try to help. Like, for example, instead of me going to buy, you know, a makeup for $50, I can just support Bjur instead of, you know, you can sacrifice, I guess. So Achol already gave us $100 for one of the songs, which was Panda Junub. So I'm going to pick on Miss Jongale a lot. Let me play Miss Jongale again. This is one of my favorite songs, by the way. I'm not from Jongale, but I love the song. And Bjur, mind you, we need another song too for other South Sudanese women. You must make, you know. So Miss Jongale here. If you're here, then I'll play your song. If you're not here, I'll continue and play other songs. Because he has plenty and plenty of music that I can choose from. And Bjur is actually here with us. He's watching. He will join us soon. Yeah. I know, good, right? Miss Jongale. They're great women. I'm just waiting for them to join so that I can play Miss Jongale. Beautiful, beautiful song. Makes you want to, you know, get married to Jongale so that you'll be like, not Miss Jongale, but Mrs. Jongale. Like, I am here, I am Mrs., you know. Okay, so I'll play Miss Jongale one more time. I hope all our Jongale women and some
Girl, kiss that, you don't swear, music, yeah, both kind of. Na 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 na. In your meko, in your meko, in your like you, in your like you, then you buy. Don't do original, then do original. Don't do yeah, yeah, then do original. Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale. I get down in your low, I get down to pay a bill. I get down in your low, I get down to like to buy. And I'm in the jungle, I'm in the buy boy. I get down to more the child, and I'm in the jungle. Do you go again, mama? Do you number get in your car? Do you go again, mama? Do you number get in your car? In your meko, in your meko, in your meko, in your like you, in your like you, then you buy. Don't do original, then do original. Don't do yeah, then do original. Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale. Okay, non de di corte che vi piondo niar, non de di corte che vi piondo loj. Nyan Miss Jongale hadangen jamiar, donne will go chopping ne kojbi, donne pida chorian ne kojbi, pida chate muar ke dato, kirije bana chate muar ke dato, kuyeni kina cheta kum di ma. Nyan Miss Jongale hadangen jamiar ho ho. Yepan queer, yepan do batenga abanda. Nyan Miss Jongale, oh yeah. Do you go again, mama? Do you know again? Do you go again? In your meko, in your like you, then you buy. Then do original, then do original. Don't do yeah, then do original. Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale, yeah, Miss Jongale, Miss Jongale.
What do you think about this song?
Out to Jongale girls.
I don't know where Miss Jongale is at. Where's Miss Jongale? I feel like I'm the Miss Jongale now. I should be Mrs. Jongale instead. Where are you at, ladies? Come on. Bring it on, Miss Jongale. That is your song. Please go on GoFundMe.
I want Panda Junub.
You want Panda Junub again? Oh no. This girl loves Panda Junub. You know what? We'll give her the opportunity. I want her to listen to that song again because she just got $100 for Panda Junub. So thank you, Jiel.
Whoever keep on giving these wow face, come on. Gotta chill, man. All you gotta do is press like, love, and
No,
put
wow,
the
like,
20.
it means wow.
20. No. I don't want that. That's $20, man. Come on.
Miss Jongale. Where are Miss Jongale at? You want Panda Junu?
Of course.
Okay, I'll play Panda Junu one more time because this girl loves Panda Junu. By the way, Bjur, I hope you are watching. I think he is watching.
You better watch.
Yes, he is.
Now I'm
Majok, don't just say thank you. Majok, I am expecting you to go on my wall and click on the GoFundMe and help support Bjur so that he can produce more.
All y'all need to get out is just your MasterCard. End of the story.
Yeah, it's a very easy process and it's reliable as well. I've done it a couple of times before, and I am definitely going to also support Bjur as well. You want me to play Miss
Yes.
Panda Janub? Okay, I'll play Panda Janub because Achol loves this song. And we have other songs, by the way. More songs. Here we go.
Banato, ajin gelu banda, na ye jadagato. Alegi mama, alegi baba, alegi one man, badugu banda.
I am so sweaty.
This girl, she's dancing. Bring your face a little closer, beautiful. Show your face. Show your face.
Wait, hold on.
Show the sweat. Yes, I'll move. You take control.
Hey y'all, how you doing? Chai, I was sweating. Is that how hard it is, man, to make music?
Yeah. Can you imagine the amount of time and effort that you have to go through in order for you to release a beautiful
Tell me, man,
song?
all this, I'm trying even to follow the lyrics, but I can't, but I'm just crazy with the moves.
He says Panda Junu, like Gwirku Panda, Duku Panda. Yes, even just at all. So everything is in Junu. And there's another song which I'll play later on, which is obviously one of the most inspirational songs. It's called Menabar. That song. Oh, I know, right?
That's so sad, though.
No, that's Alajuma.
I just want to cry.
You just mix it up. That's
really?
That's Alajuma's song. This one is different.
Oh shit! Forget about it, though. There's something.
No, that's Alajuma's one, but he also has a song called
another version of it.
Yeah, Pir Manabar. It's actually I'll probably try to find it. But before I find that, I think there's a couple of people out there that are, probably having relationship problems, and I think this song would be dedicated to women. I actually love this song, to be honest. It's about how.
Apuk, you talk too much.
Okay. Let me play.
Baby, que tiene pion, yeah, que tiene pion, yeah, que tiene pion, yeah. Just what you say, oh yeah. Yeah, deeper than ocean. In Kayan Jono, in a hand I rock you. Yana Macha and Jatimia do. Until that get by your gentleman. Until that war, where do? Where do? Baby, you're here and tell me. Oh no, in Kadia. You're near gonna tell me. Now you made a cut 100%. Now you made a cut 100%. I think you can lose. I think you can lose. I think you can lose. Baby, you didn't tell me. Oh, no, in Kadia. You're gonna tell you. Baby, you didn't tell me. Oh, no, in Kadia. You're gonna tell you.
Jay, diamond ding. Girl, you in the house, man. I know you're Miss Jungle. We just need only $100 from you, okay?
Or even $50.
No, it's $100. Come on,
Miss Jungle. Actually, Miss Jungle, to be honest, you know how I look though. Can Miss Jungle?